In India, we are of the view that stable coins, I mean, the CBDC actually, is the answer for cross-border payments. First of all, let me also let you know that for us in India, payments, domestic payments is not an issue. So to that extent, we do not need, a CBDC or a stable coin for local payments. We have a very efficient payment system domestically, and we had a session yesterday where we demonstrated, where we talked about our fast payment systems, which are very, very cheap, which are very fast, instantaneous, both wholesale as well as retail. So the CBDC really is for cross-border payments, and for that we are already having our pilots, both at the retail and the wholesale level. Retail level so that it can be used as cash, as currency, and at wholesale level to test the settlement amongst the banks. Now, unless other countries also adopt this CBDC, we are not going to see the benefits of CBDC insofar as cross-border payments are concerned. So I would rather urge all those present from the central banks and other jurisdictions that we need to promote the CBDC because this has huge advantages over stable coins. It is fiat. It has all the advantages of stable coin. It can be tokenized, and it can reduce cross-border payments while being fiat, having the advantages of singleness of money, the integrity of money. And so all of us need to promote that. Only then we'll be able to actually roll it out at a large scale.
Thank you, Governor. Question, can I take one from this side, please? Keep your questions brief.
Hi, I'm Soumya. So I just wanted to ask you about Indian governments and central banks' take on cryptos. That reminds me from that question, because in recent times it is increasingly being promoted. So, and there's always a controversy. So, just wanted to take your opinion on it. Thank you.
On cryptos.
Yeah. So I'll just quote from what the BIS Annual Economic Report of 2025 says, and I think I kind of alluded to this. What they say is that stable coins, which is one of the better forms of crypto, has huge promise for asset tokenization, but it falls short of the requirements as a mainstay for monetary systems. And so we in India, we believe that it is CBDC and it's not crypto, because it has huge implications for monetary policy, for controls that we have on the capital account. It has implications for money laundering, and so we would rather promote CBDC rather than any other form of crypto, because CBDC has all the advantages as I mentioned earlier.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.